Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Rani madam.
Yes, how are you, sir?
Yeah, I am doing great. What about you?
I'm also doing great, sir. Thanks for asking. I've been watching your videos and you are doing really wonders. Yes,
Oh, thank you.
yes. So, how was
Yeah,
your day, sir, so far?
yeah. Uh, my day is fantastic, ma'am. Yeah, it's going smoothly and nicely.
Okay, okay, okay. So, how's your
And
YouTube journey going on?
oh, it's going slowly. Because recently I have started my channels, YouTube channel. Yeah, and I got 188 subscriber. It's
Congratulations.
yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So, sir, I know you, but for my viewers, would you please like to give your introduction?
Yeah, of course, ma'am. Of course. Yeah. As you know, my name is Sachin. I am from Maharashtra, Pune, and I am married person. I have two children, one daughter, one son. Yeah, my wife, a housewife, and I living with my family, and I am farmer, and I am also driver on milk van. I like my farming. I like watering plants. Yeah, and uh, I am so excited talking with you. Actually, I am waiting a long time.
Yes, yes, yes. I know that. I know that, sir. So thanks for your great introduction. And I actually we connected. I think long back, 1 or 2 months back, right?
Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, yes. So that time I really impressed by your talking, and even I was also looking forward for this introduction, this conversation. So now I'll give my introduction, sir, for your viewers.
Yeah, yes.
My name is Shamal. I'm connecting you from Mumbai. I'm a phonic teacher, mother to two sons, full time homemaker, enthusiastic Kathak learner, and nowadays I'm learning this language to polish. And as far as my education concerned, I'm commerce graduate. I have done post graduation diploma in international business, and after that I've worked for an MNC for a couple of years. But due to my family responsibilities, I had to quit. And then I did ECCA certified phonic course, and I started my own phonic classes. So, and now I'm learning English and I'm learning Kathak, both the things I'm trying to learn. And as far as my hobbies concerned, I like to listen to music. I like to listen English podcast, and I like to dance. I like to prepare many dishes as well. So this is pretty much about me.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah.
Rani madam, I am so appreciated you because you are a dancer, you are Kathak dancer, and you are learning English, and you are a married person. So you have so many responsibilities. So how can you manage these times for Kathak learnings and house chore work? Oh,
Yes.
it is so hard. No.
Yes, it is actually hard for me as well, but I try to manage it. I try to nowadays actually this was the summer vacation. So I was completely free. I was trying to give my lot of time for English and YouTube channel as well. But now I have to make the timetable. I always make to-do list one day before, sometime for my Kathak practice, sometime for English, and I take classes thrice in a week, like 3 times in a week, so that evening time is for my phonic classes, and in between I try to find time for my children, for my household chores. So I always try to be prioritize my things, and like that way I try to do my work. And yes, my plate is always full, but I try to manage it. Sometimes I feel like a headless chicken as well. But yes, I try to manage my time and try to be consistent. So this is like this way I try to manage. And thanks for
Oh,
appreciating, sir.
yeah, and yeah, yesterday I saw your one video. in video in your video you was talking about how to speak, how to learn English with stories through. Yeah,
Yes,
and
yes, yes, sir. It is my new thing I have introduced. As I'm taking classes, phonic classes, I talk with them with stories with children. I make them understand whatever I want to make them learn. I make them understand with stories, and I really feel that we can learn with the stories because stories are come with many words, many vocabulary, many expressions. So with that,
yeah,
we can easily learn this language because when you come into the story you imagine that world, right? You imagine yourself in that place and you can easily learn, and that is the way I have learned English. So I
yeah,
thought
that is
this will definitely help people to learn English.
yeah. So yeah, yes, I am totally agree with you because it is a very helpful to learn English story through. It is very helpful to who are learn English stories through method is very good.
Yes, and in that story, I have already means I have given meanings as well, then phrasal verbs and what idioms I have used, and then I have gave some examples also. So it is like a full package for you, for viewers. You can read the story, you can imagine it, you can go with the idioms, you can make your own examples with that, and you can use those expression in your daily life. So I'm trying to give the easy stories which you can easily incorporate in your daily conversation.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can learn a new word for two stories through.
Yes, yes. Because learning any language, it is really difficult for any beginner. Because what people think that they have to mug all the grammar, all the vocabulary, but that is impossible. So go slowly, day by day, take one challenge, overcome with that, and then go forward. So in this easy method you will definitely learn the language, and that learning will be the byproduct. So you don't have to do that hustle and bustle for learning. You don't have to run continuously behind it. By learning, by listening to new stories, you will definitely learn the language.
Yeah, I am totally agree with you. Yes, yes. Also, I read a story. I listening a story. So that's why I improve my English language. So
Yes.
actually, I am farmers, and do you know I am running 37, and but when I start learning English, so that time it's so difficult to me. But I took a consistency, yeah, and a practice. I do daily practice in front of mirror.
Wow. Actually, I am
Yeah,
observing your this improving, sir. Really, you have improved a lot. When we talked, it was I think 2 months back, right? So that time, the way
yeah.
you were speaking, and right now, it is really a big difference. I can see that.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
yes. So how you got this fluency? What is your daily activities regarding learning English? I really want to know about
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yes, thank you for this question, because this question so many people ask these questions and today you asked this question, so thank for this question. Yeah, so actually as you know, I have started my YouTube channel. So channel through I take a conversation video, strangers people,
Okay.
and this conversation video improve my English, my confidence, because conversation video directly speak video through face to face. So
Yes, yes.
this face to face talking each other, this is very helpful because this about after that confidence build conversation video. And
Yes, yes.
yeah, I do practice in front of mirror. Sometimes my daughter speak with me English, Yeah, my daughter's she has gone 9th standard, and she's English. Her English is very smart. She's
Wow.
she's speaking very nice. Yeah, actually, sometimes she teach me how to create sentence, how to speak English, how to use present tense, future tense, past tense, modal verbs. Yeah, so
Wow.
that's way. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
She must be brilliant. Actually, the way you have learned, the way you are speaking now, it is really a commendable job you have done, sir. Because yeah, because means if you have a person at home or you have that conducive environment at home, you will definitely improve. No doubt about it.
Yes,
There is
yes.
no brainer. Here, I would like to ask you one more question, sir. As you saying, you practice in front of mirror, right? And you are doing conversational videos as well. So, what is more effective? Practicing by own self or practicing with people? What is more beneficial, effective, or
Oh,
both go hand
actually,
in hand?
actually, both are helpful. Both are helpful because in front of mirror, when I talking myself in front of mirror, so that's time when I suppose I mistake, so that time not judge anyone to me my mistakes. And but other sides when I stalk other person video call, so that times when I do mistakes, so that times my strangers person, my in front of my people's in front of my people, they teach me how to speak English and how they correct my mistake. So it is a very important to me.
Yes, yes, very true things. Well said, actually. If we fear, if we scared to talk in front of anybody, then definitely should start with ourselves. And we can ourselves rectify our mistakes. We can ourselves notice our mistakes. And by that, we can eventually progress also, right? And when it comes to speaking with others, definitely it is really helpful. By talking to
Yeah,
others, we can copy their talking as well, right? We can get to know more vocabulary, how to frame the
yeah,
sentences. And if the person is not judging you, that time it is really a free talking. It is like a piece of cake for hours, talking with that
yeah, yeah,
person. Yes. So do you want to ask me anything, sir?
yeah, definitely. I have so many questions
Oh my god,
for
yes,
you.
please
So,
go ahead.
so uh, how long have you been learning this language?
um as far as learning this language, I have started in September, means speaking practice. But I know this language. But before that, I never think that I will speak English, or I'll need to learn speaking, because 2 years back, last year and the previous 2024 and 25 visited a few countries. So that time, this thing triggered me that when we meet anybody, any stranger person, that time we know that person speak English, even I also speak English. But when it comes to start the topic, when it comes to break the ice, it was really difficult for me, though I was aware about English language. But that time it triggered me a lot. I have to learn this language. I have to learn speaking. So my journey started in 2025 September. But I was very on and off person. But since February, since my January, I took it seriously. January
Uh,
2026. And that onwards, I started to speak with people. I started to do conversations. And I have joined myself with one group, with one WhatsApp group. There I used to speak with strangers, but because of my this heavy schedule, I couldn't be consistent. So I've started my YouTube channel. So I that because of that, I thought for that at least for the sake of my growing of my channel, I'll definitely be consistent. And yes, I'm trying to be consistent for my channel, growing of my channel. And now I'm consistent. Every day I'm trying to post videos. I'm trying to make any creative things. So this is my journey, sir.
Oh, you are you enjoying this language?
Yes, I'm enjoying a lot. I'm trying to immerse myself fully into it.
Yeah, also I am enjoying this language because how can its language helpful to you?
So this language is really very helpful because we know that it's a global language. As I told you, my experience that when I've been to a few countries, that time I knew English, but when it comes to speaking, see, knowing any language and speaking, both are poles apart, right? Both things are extremely different. So if we speak this language, doors will open for us. We can connect to new people. We can learn new things. We learn new culture, right? So this language is very important to connect the world. Now we connect with through internet, and this language is global language, so this is the only medium we can connect to the world. And by this language we can connect to the people who are from the different language, so because they are also learning this language, right? So
Yeah,
this
yes,
language is the medium to connect the globe, I would say.
yeah. So one more questions. Because of this language, you make any friends, abroad friends, other states friend?
Yes, I made friends, sir. Definitely. It was
Yeah,
really
I
helpful
also.
for me. In the country where I visited, it was Spanish country, and I don't know Spanish. The people whom where I talking to, they don't know Marathi or the Hindi. They used to speak in the they actually in Spanish countries people mostly speak in Spanish only. Their all documents are in Spanish, but they still tried English for me, and I try to speak with them in English. So it was really a good medium for me to try to speak with them and to make new friends as well.
Oh, nice, nice. Actually, I want to improve my English. So can you tell me how can I improve my English?
The way you have adapted, the way you are going, it is really right way. You are learning day by day. You're working on the stories as well, right? As you said, you're working on the
Yeah.
grammar, and at the same time you're speaking to the people. I would say it is really a holistic and the right approach you have chosen. So please try to stick to it and improve your language. You're already on the right
Yeah.
track, I would say.
But inside one problem, ma'am, my grammar is very weak. So can you tell me grammar is very important for learn this language?
Yes, sir. Yes, it is. There is no brainer because see, skeleton without flesh is incomplete, and flesh without skeleton is incomplete. Your body without skeleton is incomplete. So, like that,
Yeah.
grammar is the skeleton of your language. Because, sir, what happened if you want to narrate any story, right? Then you should be aware with the tenses, right? If you are aware with
Yeah,
the
right.
present tense, past tense, future tense, you can easily narrate that incidents. You can easily narrate that story in front of anybody, right? For that matter, your basic grammar should be clear. We have the noun part, pronoun part, then basic vocabulary, basic grammar, structure of sentence, like framing sentences should be proper. If you want to
Mm.
tell the story about your past and you are narrating the story in present tense word,
Yes.
right? Then your
Yes.
context
Right.
won't match, right? So your basic
Yeah.
grammar should be clear, at least basic grammar, basic vocabulary, basic noun you should know. So I would say the grammar is really important, and even advanced grammar is also important. But when you learn the basic grammar and if you start the speaking, you will definitely learn that advanced grammar as well because your basic is clear, right? So I would definitely say that grammar is really very important to frame sentences in any language. See, if you speak in Marathi and I'll speak in English, and if I say pronoun he for girl in Marathi, then definitely it's wrong, right? So
Yes.
I should use
Yes.
he for boy, I should use she for girl. When I mess these things in Marathi, it will be wrong grammar, it will be wrong sentence. So at least basic things should be clear. That is my perception. What you would say?
Yeah. Yeah, actually, my grammar is very weak when I start this language. So that time I don't know how to use grammar. Actually, I direct speak with people. I I know grammar. How can use grammar? But I know basic grammar means simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, little bits model, can, could, would, might.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
and preparation in, out, on, under,
So, sir,
about.
these all are the part of grammar only, na, sir? Right? So, as you
Yes.
said, you started speaking directly. I would like to give you one example. See, if any child born in the family, that child won't
Hmm.
speak directly with the proper sentences, full sentence. Okay? That child will start with sounds, mama, papa, like that. Okay? These are the sounds. First will be the ma, ah, then it will go with the two letter sounds, mama, papa, dada. Okay, then it will go with the three letter sound and two letter words, one letter words, like this. That child doesn't know the grammar. Okay, but it will definitely still go with the surrounding, what he has learned from the surrounding, what he is listening from the surrounding. So the way you have
Got it.
started, it is the right way. You have started speaking, it is the right way, because if you want to learn swimming, you have to jump into the water, then only you will learn the swimming, definitely. So grammar is definitely the next part, but as you saying, speaking is really the first part. You have to start speaking. Though you may commit any mistake, don't get scared, don't judge yourself. Start speaking and work upon your grammar as well. So will definitely you will be the great product of yourself, of you will be
Thank
the next version. So that's why I said, sir, no, yeah, the way you have the approach you have chosen, it is really right approach.
Oh, yeah, thank you, thank you very much.
Yes.
So this is our first meeting. So, how do you feel? You connect with me and I connect with you for conversation video. So, how do you feel?
Sir, I feel really thrilled how the time flies away. I'm just watching to the time right now. The time flies away like a bird, right? So
Oh,
I really felt nice talking with you.
yeah, yeah,
Yes.
and I'm nice meeting you, madam. Really nice to meet you. Yeah, and I am before conversation video. I am so excited to talk with you.
Thanks, sir. Thanks. Thank you very much. Even I was also excited to talking with you. Because
Yeah,
being
and
a farmer, I would like to one question, sir, please. Sorry to
okay.
interruption. You are a
Hmm.
farmer, right? And I
Hmm.
know you have lot of work to do, definitely, because I'm from the farmer family only. My mummy, she is
Oh,
in Shirur. She is in Shirur,
Shirur.
and yes,
Actually, ma'am, Shirur is my near.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm
So,
from. Do you? I am from Warwant village. Do you know Warwant Chowpula?
no, no, I don't. I'm not aware about it. But my question was, so you people are completely busy with your work day and night. You don't even have time to take breath. So how you manage your time to learn this language? And people in your village, I am sure people are not talking in English. I'm
No,
sure
no,
about it.
yes, yeah, you're sure about it. Actually, I don't have much time to practice because sometimes I am so busy in my farm work and as you know, I am a diver, so I have to
Yes,
go work in the morning and in the evening. So I take a time after dinner. I take a time myself. So after dinner. I speak myself in front of mirror, and actually it's a 1 month completed. I download Peer app. Do you know about a Peer app?
no sir, no sir. I'm not aware about it. How's
So
this app work?
yeah, this app is very helpful to me. I call Peer app is a application app speaking English. There are so many peoples and they speak English each other, and it is very helpful to me. And I do practice after dinner. After dinner, I have most times because all night is mine.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Because my day is all busy. My day was busy.
Yes, I'm really aware about it, sir, because farmers they work 24 by 7. I've seen this even 15 days. Last month I visited my mother's maiden place. So my mommy, she is always busy, always busy. So not her, means all farmers, they provide food to us, right? You people provide us food, and you people are really very means caring, as well as you're serving the nation. I would say you're serving the nation, right? And you are doing really a noble work.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah. So I have one more question. Are you from Mumbai?
Yes.
Do you like a village city or Mumbai city means
City or
what
village? You want to ask me
city or
city or
village?
village?
Yeah.
Actually, I born and brought up in Mumbai only.
Mm.
So means my most of my life is I have spent in Mumbai. But yes, when I feel to rejuvenate myself, I feel to keep my sanity. I definitely like to visit village, my native place, my maiden place, even my in-laws place. But I can't live there more than 10 to 15 days. My city life calls me because my whole work is here, children's school is here, so I have to stay here. But yes, village life is really very calm and soothing. Yes,
Yeah.
whenever we visit there, we forget everything about our city life.
Mm. Okay. So you told me you have two sons. They are speaking with you.
So both are going to convent school, but they never like to speak with me in English at home. They want to speak in Marathi only. But since few days I have made them compulsion to speak with me in English only. So nowadays we watch some series, English series. Then I myself watch some English content, and whenever I feel to talk with them English, I directly start to speak with them in English. At that time, I never reply in Marathi.
Yeah, it is interesting.
Yes. So they are really very well in speaking. They like your
Mm.
daughter. They also correct me. They see like our children. They are always a pure soul. They don't keep anything in their mind. They with care they rectify our mistakes. With love they support us. And yes, they appreciate my work and they always support me. So I love to talk with them in English, and I love my children a lot. They are very helpful.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. Uh, so, uh, you noticed in this year weather is very hot.
Yes,
So
it's very
how is weather
scorchy
there
weather.
in yeah. So how is weather there in Mumbai?
It's still really very hot, scorchy outside. Even yesterday also, I was with my friends. We were talking about it when the monsoon will start. It is really very hot here, and we all are waiting for the monsoon, like
Yeah.
you.
Also, I am lot of waiting for monsoon rain
Yes,
because it is very important for our
farming. Yes.
farm. Yeah, because without rain, without water, how can I do my farm?
Yes, yes, definitely. It is really a needful thing for the farming. Even in cities also, that water cut is started.
Yes.
Limited water is there nowadays. In not in my neighbor, in not in my society, but in my neighborhood, people are facing the water shortage problem.
Yeah, because this
Yes.
now it's rain is not coming, so So that is water's problem.
Yes, 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 yes.
So,
So, sir,
do you like?
yes, go on.
Actually, I have more question. Bits. I think it's a time limited.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir, yes.
yeah, I know.
Yes, our session is now going to end. So it was really nice talking to you, and I'll definitely would like to connect you again.
Oh, yeah, definitely, definitely. I like connect with you again, again, and again.
Thank you very much,
Yeah.
sir.
Uh, nice to meet you, Rani madam. And your surname is very strong, Rani.
You're the only person who is calling me with this name. Is this my surname?
Because do you know Rane, Rani? It's a strong name.
In
It's mean
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. It means
Yes.
strong name, Rani. Oh, how do you feel? Because your your surname is Rani. Oh, Rani ma'am.
I don't feel anything special about it. It's just a
Yeah.
surname.
Do you know my surname is Wahag?
Yes, Wag.
It is my surname is very strong. People
Yes.
ask me. Sometimes my friends, my classmates, my 10th classmates, they are talking me. Hey, Tiger, how are you?
It's really very funny.
Uh, so, ma'am, thanks connect with me, and actually you made my day. So thanks, ma'am.
Same here, sir. Same here. My mutual feeling is mutual, sir. Even I also feel that you made my day, and it was really a productive conversation. And hope you will join me again. Thank you very much, and have a good day, sir. Bye
Have a
bye.
good day. Bye bye.
Bye.